And 6 people have been killed after a 3-story building collapsed in the Tulsi Nagar area of northwest Delhi's Indralok. Till now, 7 to 8 people have been rescued and reports suggest that around 12 people might still be trapped under the debris. The injured have been rushed to a nearby hospital and local teams have been rushed to the spot. Efforts are still on, as you can see on your screens, to save the people who are stuck.
भाई सुबह 8:30 बजे हम तो घर पे थे, मैं ब्रश कर रहा था और रात में सुबह आया तो यहाँ पे बिल्डिंग गिरी, जैसी लाइट कट हुई और मैं भागते हुए आया और यहाँ पे देखा तो 15 से 20 लोग इसके अंदर दब गए थे।
कितने लोगों को निकाला जा चुका है?
इनसे कम से कम 13-14 लोगों को निकाल दिया, हॉस्पिटल भेज दिया गया है।
नुकसान के तो उसमें कोई 8 तो चले गए, उसमें 5-6 मर गए, 2 से आर भी सीरियस है।
कंडीशन सीरियस है
बहुत ज्यादा, और ये पता नहीं अंदर कितने दबे में हैं।
अच्छा, ये
rescue operations on in Kirti Nagar. This is obviously a part of Indralok. Early this morning, a 3-story building has come down. We believe there was a weakening of the structure because of some construction going up close by, but obviously you can see scores of people out here. Difficult for the police to really manage and yet get all these people out. We'll try and speak to the locals out here. आप ये बताइए, आपके पास क्या जानकारी, सुबह क्या हुआ यहाँ पे?
सुबह यहाँ पे बस बिल्डिंग गिरी थी, हमें ये जानकारी थी, जिसकी वजह से यहाँ कोई भी नींव नहीं थी। करीबन 3 मंजिला बिल्डिंग थी ये, और यहाँ पर लोग बहुत ज्यादा घायल हुए हैं, लोग बाहर निकले हैं, किसी की डेथ भी हुई है।
आप किसी को जानते थे, क्या हुआ?
किसी नहीं जानता था मैं, ये सब मिले अननोन थे।
And obviously we'll try and speak to more people. आप ये बताइए, आप आसपास रहते हैं, कितना मुश्किल हुआ है?
ये बहुत ज्यादा परेशानी हो रही है यहाँ, मतलब हमारे को निकलने का रास्ता नहीं मिल रहा है, दोनों चारों तरफ से बंद है रास्ता।
आपको लगता है आपकी बिल्डिंग भी कमजोर हो गई है?
नहीं, नहीं, हमारा कोई दिक्कत नहीं, हमारा एक छोड़ के है, बाकी उसके बराबर में जो है वो बिल्कुल टूटने का अंदेशा है, बराबर में उसके सामने बिल्कुल उसके साथ में जो है बिल्डिंग।
कितने बजे हुआ? और
8:30 बजे 8:30 बजे।
So obviously you can try and have a look. A lot of people out here, the officials trying to really assess the situation. We'll try and speak to senior officials out here. Sir, do tell us what really happened. How many people have been rescued so far?
Today morning at 8:55 a.m. we received a call about this building demolition here, the building which demolished, and rescue operation started immediately after that. So far 9 persons have been rescued and taken to hospitals, and just immediately we have come to know out of those 4 people have been reportedly brought dead.
Sir, we do understand this area seems very congested. The area also looks very difficult. A lot of people out here. How many buildings have been weakened? Have you approached NDMA or any other authority to actually have an assessment done of buildings? And in terms of difficulty, what are the challenges out here?
All the agencies are working in coordination. NDMA, MCD and other local administration is working along with the disaster management team. We have 2 buildings we have got it abandoned, and there was one building which was already lying abandoned. So now we are also analyzing if there is any threat to other buildings, and then district administration will take its call to demolish or to abandon those buildings also.
One final question: how many people can still be inside those debris? Do you think everybody has been taken out? How long do you think this entire work will take?
It will take some time, till the time whole debris is removed. So far chances are that some persons might also be there inside the debris.
All right, thank you so much for speaking to us. But if we can try and show you once again, that is the spot where this entire incident has taken place. Extremely difficult, but obviously police still fears that a few more people could still be buried right inside, and the priority is to have a rescue and obviously an assessment done of the nearby building so that more damage cannot be done. With camera person Pinaki, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi for Headlines Today.